How to make $100 a day selling these 45 highly profitable side hustles. 100% full and unrestricted use rights are included. Attention PLR marketers. Here's 45 brand new side hustle beginner guides with 100% full unrestricted use rights included that you can download instantly. You can use these, rebrand, resell, repackage, giveaway, bundle, and profit effortlessly. Dear friend, are you ready to take control of your financial future and unlock the door to entrepreneurial success? Imagine increasing your income with these highly profitable side hustles that can lead to a full-time publishing business when you're ready. That dream is now within your reach. Today you can get your hands on a brand new collection of 45 proven beginner-friendly side hustle guides that you can publish and that can set you on the path to money success. From online ventures like freelance programming and YouTube channels to offline opportunities like renting equipment or meal prep services, people can find the perfect part-time business to match their skills and lifestyle. Unlock your path to financial freedom with these 45 highly profitable side hustles. Here are the 45 titles you get in the complete bundle. You get affiliate marketing, beauty services, blogging, card detailing, consulting, custom clothing, digital marketing, drop shipping, ebook publishing, e-commerce. You get event planning, fitness classes, flipping items, freelance programming, freelance writing, graphic design, homemade crafts, handyman services, home staging, house cleaning, landscaping, meal prep services, music lessons, online courses, online tutoring, personal chef, personal shopping, personal training, pet sitting, dog walking, photography, podcasting, proofreading and editing, real estate investing, renting equipment, renting out property, social media management, subscription boxes, tech support, translation services, travel planning. You get tutoring, virtual assistants, voice acting, web development, YouTube channel, all 45 guides. You can resell the bundle, create an online course, or sell individual products for leads. You can expand the reports into a resource for aspiring entrepreneurs. You can create a membership site. You can offer the reports as exclusive content in a subscription-based membership platform. Offer them as bonuses. You can use the guides as bonuses to sell other products or services. You can package them into ebooks. You can combine related guides into big profit ebooks. You can host workshops or webinars. You can create workshops or webinars using the reports as educational material. You can repurpose them into blog content. You can break the reports into blog posts or articles to attract visitors, gain subscribers, or to build your list. You can use them for social media. You can share key insights from reports as engaging social media posts. You can sell individual reports. You can market and sell each report individually to target niche audiences. You can use them to build an email list. You can offer a report as a freebie to grow an email subscriber list. You can create a comprehensive online course with added materials. You can create a small business startup book. You can compile the reports into a full-length book on side hustles. You could start a podcast. You can repurpose the content for podcast episodes about business and entrepreneurship. Become a super affiliate. You can add related affiliate links to resources mentioned in the reports for extra income. Used for corporate training. You can provide the reports as training materials for entrepreneurial skill building in companies. Create infographics. You can design infographics from the reports to share visually compelling content. Develop a coaching program. You can build coaching programs using the reports as core material. You can license the content. You can license the collection to businesses or educators for their use. Translate into other languages. You can translate the reports to reach new markets and resell them globally. Even collaborate with influencers. You can partner with influencers or promote the reports as valuable tools for their followers. Each guide is written with simplicity and clarity, making it easy for anyone to understand, apply, and get started, even with zero experience. These are proven money-making guides with clear steps to success, so you can sell them with full confidence. Each guide is designed to help people start small, scale steady, and build a sustainable business that can eventually replace their job. Plus, you get full unrestricted use rights to everything, and that's not all. Repurposing this content is like having 5 or 10 extra uses for it when you already have 14 plus the main offer. Heck of a deal. As a publisher, there are many ways to repurpose content for ongoing profits. The professional info publishers do this a lot. They will add, combine, repurpose any content to open yet more opportunities to score more money. Bonus, order today and I will also throw in a PDF titled Copywriting Gems, 100 Amazing Advertising Tips, free also with PLR if you order right away. You get a full 90-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied within 90 days for any reason, just ask me for a complete, no-hassle refund, and I will return you your money in full. You simply cannot lose. Remember, you get full and unlimited PLR to everything. Go ahead and download your copy of these 45 proven side hustles with unlimited rights and start working towards making $100 a day in your own publishing biz. Just see the link below this video.